reto tura, doke mito tura tura, sento turo miere, die be imit, etura chuo imonge, idwe kudong nena cha. Oh, my love, your wife. Oh, my love, your husband. Oh, my love, your wife. Oh, my love, your husband. Both of you do this to one another. Wives submit yourself to husband. For husband has authority over his wife, just Christ has authority over the church. Both of you do this to one another. Wives submit to one another to the Lord. For husband has authority over his wife, just Christ has authority over the church. Nakita Yesu titwero iko mkanisa, ndako mar chware ndoki chuoda mar dako, piene bedu meri amerud enumi. Oh, my love, your wife. Oh, my love, your husband. Oh, my love, your wife. Oh, my love, your husband. Show me your love, show me your care. I need your respect forevermore, Pakala. Show me your love, show me your care. I need your respect forevermore, Pakala.